Welcome to OSS Health, your trusted local experts in orthopedic and spine care right here in central Pennsylvania. OSS Health has been physician-owned and operated since its inception, delivering award-winning care to help you get back to the life you love faster and with less pain. With convenient locations across York, Adams, and Cumberland counties, expert care is always close by. Our main campus in York is home to the Powder Mill Clinic, offering orthopedic urgent care, advanced imaging, physical therapy, and our ambulatory surgical center, ASC, for outpatient procedures. Our main campus is also home to OSS Orthopedic Hospital, which has been recognized as the #1 joint replacement hospital in PA. Our West York location, offering an orthopedic clinic, imaging, urgent care, and physical therapy, and our foot and ankle specialist location in York is dedicated to providing focused care from expert podiatrists. We also offer orthopedic care at our Hanover, Gettysburg, Mechanicsburg, and Enola locations. You'll find a range of orthopedic services including clinic appointments, advanced imaging, pain management, orthopedic urgent care, and physical therapy based on the office you visit. What sets OSS Health apart is our commitment to you. No long orthopedic urgent care waits, next-day appointments when possible. Full-service options like advanced imaging, sports medicine, and robotic-assisted surgeries, all delivered by caring professionals who live and work in the communities we serve. Whether it's joint pain, break or sprain, or recovery after joint surgery, we're your neighbors providing top-quality, compassionate care. Visit osshealth.com or call us today to find the location nearest you. OSS Health, orthopedic expertise, right where you live.